Are you here because you want to make videos like this?
I want to talk to you about a book of mine.
Today, we're going to delve into the world of marketing brilliance,
Included in the 1% of success.
or even this.
Why does ChatGPT always give you an incorrect response?
They say music from the 80s wasn't that good.
To get millions of views and get these results? If so, I gotcha. I am gonna show you how to make a faceless YouTube channel with this type of content using AI for absolutely free. After watching this video, you will become a millionaire in 10 minutes doing nothing.
Just kidding.
So let's get to work. Step 1. First things first. Before creating a video, you need to create a logo, banner, description for the YouTube channel, and a script for the video. Head to the ChatGPT and Canva. Let's make logo, banner, and description for our banger YouTube channel. Save how to make a banner and what parameters to choose. ChatGPT is your key to a strong channel description, but don't forget about proper SEO. Watch the video on YouTube on how to write it correctly. I suggest you to create scripts for 10 videos and edit them. After that, work on the first script like I do.
A few moments later.
Our script is ready. Let's have some fun from now on. Step 2. Now let's start with the audio. Go to 11 Labs, go through registration. Select the voice and paste the script which you should have already created using ChatGPT. Let's have some fun and choose Matilda voice. Let's add a little pepper to our video. A couple of seconds of magic and our audio is ready. Don't forget to check the sound quality and make some edits. Step 3. Open Canva. Let's make a background and a character. For background, click Adjust and select Temperature 9 and Contrast 26. In the Canvas tools, find I text to image and write the philosopher Socrates. Next, select the photo you like most. Click on Edit Photo and Background Remover. Then, save the result. Step 4. Go to did.com, register, upload a character and background, and let the magic happen. And here you are.
A few moments later.
Have you ever wondered why certain behaviors seem almost predictable?
Step 5. Go to the v.io, which will create auto captions for us. Don't forget to edit the subtitles, putting them in the right place for ease of viewing. Step 6. Since all these I have watermarks, and we don't want to pay for a subscription, you need to find an AI that will remove them for you. I use Annie Eraser. After downloading, select the parts you need to remove, and you're done. Sounds great. I like Socrates with a woman's voice better.
To escalate more frequently in stores.
I could end with this video, but I can't leave little beginner YouTubers without support. Step 7. After creating the video, let's start creating the description and hashtags. Let ChatGPT cook. Step 8. Create a thumbnail. Do it yourself, as I do it in Canva. Step 9. We have a new channel, new video, and SEO. All that is left is to upload the video on YouTube and wait to become a millionaire. I can already see myself buying a Ferrari and using the remaining money to live in Hawaii. If you liked this video and it was useful for you, then subscribe to my channel. AI will take over the world, and I will be the first one to tell you about it.